Akenya ni moretio guthingata utheru na makiria muno gutigirira kiria mararia ni kiharirie na njira iria ciagiriire ari ta njira ya kuhurana na murimu wa kuharwo gatema.
Cholera is a disease of poor hygiene. The bad sewers within the cities, poor preparation of water, contamination of water sources, and therefore what the steps which have been taken by the city county to ban, to kind of have all food handlers tested afresh is very important to us.
Gukinyeria riu ruhonge rwa ugima wa muiri ni rutacukitie makinya ma naihenya gutigirira murimu uyu ni wahuranwo naguo kaimana.
When you are hosting people, you should be able to cook or to prepare your own food and serve them, not to outsource. And if you have no capacity, you should not do so. For centers like Kenyatta International Conference Center, which we know, there are conferences without, and it has no kitchen facilities, we shall classify what type of hotels, the level of hotels, who can be contracted to prepare and serve food at KICC or any other place where conferences are likely to take place, but they have no kitchen facilities.
Kuringana na minista wa ruhonge rwa ugima wa muiri Mailu ni megukorwo magithurima ikiro cia utheru mikawa-ini yothe guku mucii wa Nairobi kuria oritie ene mikawa kunyitanira nao. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.